Which is more cost-effective, fabric ducts or traditional metal ducts? In terms of construction, fabric ducts are produced in a standardized manner in factories and do not require secondary processing on-site. They can be installed quickly, with low labor costs. In contrast, metal ducts need to be cut, welded, and flanged on-site, which involves complex procedures, longer construction periods, and more labor. Regarding operational energy consumption, fabric ducts can distribute air evenly, avoiding local overcooling or overheating, and thus have lower fan energy consumption. Metal ducts rely on diffusers, air outlets, and other terminal equipment for air distribution, resulting in concentrated airflow, which can easily cause local overcooling or overheating and higher energy consumption. In terms of maintenance and management, fabric ducts can be modularly disassembled and directly machine washed, making them particularly suitable for high-cleanliness environments such as food and pharmaceutical industries. The interiors of metal ducts are difficult to clean, prone to dust accumulation and bacterial growth, and have higher maintenance costs.